Alright guys, well everything's buttoned up. I did start it and I forgot to turn the camera on, so I do know it runs. It runs pretty good. Definitely needs to be tuned for that cam, but no big deal. It runs, drives. It's a pretty mild cam, so it's still drivable. But yeah, it definitely needs to be messed around with a little bit. I'm thinking about getting HB tuners and learning how to do all that. I think it would be pretty cool to learn. So but yeah, just top off the fluids here and I'm gonna pull it out and maybe take it for a little spin down the road. It's gonna be like 58 degrees today and it rained pretty hard, so I think all the salt's washed off the road. Be a good day to take it for a test drive. I'm not gonna go crazy or anything. I'm not gonna floor it or anything like that until I get it tuned well. And but it'll be fun to take it down the road. I've been adding transmission fluid. It's still low. Just had to go get some more. I lost a lot of it when I replaced the dipstick tube O-ring. Alright, make sure it's in gear, which it wasn't. I don't have a neutral safety switch right now. Power steering still has some bubbles in it. Yeah, the wind's gonna interfere quite a bit here, but hopefully you can hear it. Sounds pretty alright. I think the idle might be alright, but the higher end stuff needs to be addressed. But all the vitals are looking good. I let her warm up and it didn't go above 190, so I think I'm gonna take it for a spin down the road. But I gotta make this thing, I gotta put the hood on it and stuff to make it look legal. It is fully legal right now. I got plates, I got insurance, it's legal, but I want it to look legal too, so I don't get bothered or anything. Rained pretty good and it's windier now, but I got the hood and the grill on and I threw a plate on there, and I'm still gonna try to take this thing down the road today. Yeah, these roads suck. Pretty good though. It definitely needs a tune, like I've said several times. It's running pretty alright. The idle's really good. Alright, so there you have it. I was going down the road and I felt like a weird vibration. I was kind of worried. Then I forgot that I still have that burnout tire on the rear driver's side, and that's in really rough shape, so that would be my vibration. I'm 99% sure that's where it was coming from. So yeah, other than that, it goes down the road pretty good, and once I get that tune in, it should be good to go for the summer, hopefully. So yeah, pretty exciting. Stay tuned. I'll probably get some videos going when I figure out HB tuners and all that, and I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I think it would be best if I just get it and learn, because then I can make changes myself right here, and it'd be nice to know that whole system and learn how that all works, rather than take it to somebody and then I can always correct things and play with it and get it just how I want.